Welcome to Remote Language Arts. I'm your teacher, Miss Dawn, if you haven't met me already. I'm going to give you a rundown of your language arts course here on Canvas, what you can expect, what you need to know, and how to get to things. So if you direct your attention to the screen in front of you, you'll notice that the first thing that you always see on your Canvas course is the most recent announcement. Right now it just tells you that we have a Zoom at 10:30. That's our first time meeting for language arts. It will tell you when our next meeting is or anything important to note, things that are coming up due, etc. Things like that. Last days to turn in work, that sort of thing. So that will only ever be the most recent announcement, but you can always click on announcements right here and see all of them. If you scroll down here, you will also notice that it has our class meeting time and the Zoom link to that, which you also have on your remote schedule. My name, my email, phone number, office hours, that type of stuff. Right here, this click button here, start here, will take you to the welcome module for this class. So no matter when you're starting with us in the remote program, you will need to be able to go through that module to get your information and how to get going. Below that, we will have all of our literature that we'll be reading as a class right here, linked here. This links us to sort of the weekly lesson plan, so you can kind of look at what is going on for the whole week in this class, and you can go back to previous weeks to see what happened there or see whatever you have missed if that is what happened. And then this link will bring you to instructional videos, videos like this one, as well as any other videos that we might watch for content or that I explain, recorded Zooms, that sort of thing. So I'm going to go to the Start Here button so you can kind of see what that first module looks like. As you see, the first thing here is this welcome video, and so you need to make sure you watch it. I think you're watching it or you wouldn't be hearing me right now. Right? Anyways, right here, some information about me if you want to know more about me, other than I am a dork and have lots of poppets keeping me company all the time. Right here is the syllabus for this class, and this is some information for your parents that they might like to know. If you click on the syllabus, it kind of runs you through this. We will go over this in our first Zoom. If you are starting later with us, you might want to review it just to make sure that you understand how you are graded in this class, and some basic policies and procedures. All right, so that is the Welcome, Your Journey Begins Here module. Then if you scroll down here, we have Learning Module 1, Mythology and Culture, which is what our big focus is going to be on the first quarter. There will be Learning Module 2 underneath that as well. The top two here will be information that you will want to have access to throughout the learning module, throughout the quarter. This is the same link to that lesson plans that is linked on the home page as well. And then this is our slide deck for Zoom meetings. So any information that I covered in Zoom meetings will be linked there and will be added on throughout the learning module. This right here is the first assignment for this class. And no matter when you start this class, you need to do this first assignment. It will bring you to your student notebook. If you click on that and click on this, it will pop up this button to make a copy of it. Slowly, there we go. Okay, I will be updating this document throughout the quarter. It will have different weeks of work on it. The first week of information here, the digital scavenger hunt, the week 1 hymns, the weekly writing workshop, and the funds of knowledge. These need to be complete no matter when you start in the remote program. These are some basic pre-information that we really need to know in order to start you in your remote journey. As the quarter progresses, the module progresses, I will be adding new slides to this copy, and it will update on your end as well. You'll actually get a button right here that says update. You'll click it and it'll pop up your new slides for each week. So as you are joining, whichever week you join with us, you need to do week 1, and then you'll pick back up with the week that you were joining us with. So that's what you need to know about this. If you haven't already got to your drive and know how to do that, you need to make sure that you are logging into your Gmail account and you know how to access your drive. If you don't know how to do those yet, go back and watch some of the instructional videos about how to do that. And if you're still struggling, then sign up for a one-on-one session with me. Okay. So that's basically all you need to know to get going. And like I said, there is a lot more information here in the instructional videos that I'll be posting so that you have some more information if you are struggling with anything specifically. All right, I look forward to seeing you guys soon.